Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I did this mauve look for you guys and I hope you enjoy this monochromatic mauve look. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to go ahead and brush these through my brows.
Then you want to focus your eyebrow pencil on the sparse areas, especially on the outer part of the brow.
Next, I'm going to fill in my brows with shadow. I'm going to go in with this MAC 266 brush with chocolate. I'm going to use the darker chocolate and fill in I'm going to use the lighter shade to do the front half of my brow. I'm going to go very lightly here. You want a light hand. I'm going in with a MAC 208 brush to clean up under the brows with a concealer. So I'm just picking up the concealer, dabbing off the excess on my hand, and then going ahead and cleaning up under the brows and above. So once you're done with that, I'm going in with the MAC 217 brush and blending that out. It's time to prime the eyes. I'm using Lemonade by Benefit with this concealer brush. This is the IT Cosmetics concealer brush. So I'm just dabbing some product and dabbing it on my eyelid. So for this tutorial, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. I'm going in with this middle color right here with this fluffy brush. This is by, I believe, Makeup Addiction, and it's the duo fiber brush. And I'm just dusting it in the crease. With the MAC 217 brush, I'm going in with this, whatever this shade is, and lightly dusting off the excess and putting this right on the crease. And then also carving out this V. Next, I'm going in with this contour brush and this deeper shade. I'm going to mix these two, dab off the excess, and define the crease even more. And then I'm blending with a MAC 217 brush. This is a clean one. You want to use a clean one so there's no leftover product. So I'm going in with a concealer brush and MAC Soft Ochre and just cutting the crease just a little bit to make the colors that I'm placing more intense. Then I'm going to take the MAC 217 brush and then just blend this part out. And it's going to have the leftover shadow to blend it out. Like that. So next I'm taking a flat shader brush. Here I'm using this Sailor Moon inspired brush. I just love these designs, you guys. I'm a sucker for any like Sailor Moon things. So I'm gonna use Max Fix Plus I'm going in with this shade. If you have any fallout during this step, make sure to have some makeup wipes handy. For the inner corner, I'm going to be using this shade over here. Boom. Oh man, I love that pop. For eyeliner, I'm taking this Makeup Forever 254 brush and the gel liner by Inglot. I'm just taking some product and I'm going to create a nice wing. So I did a little mistake, so I'm gonna take my Almay makeup sticks, makeup remover sticks, and go ahead and fix that because I'm not perfect. I don't think anyone is, but you know, everyone makes mistakes, so that's why you got these sticks. Alright, so we just wipe that off, and then I'm just going in underneath the wing and finishing off this line so it meets my eyebrow. I'll be using the same lashes as I did in my last tutorial. These are the Sephora in number 4. I believe I don't have the box anymore. I'm going to be using the dual lash glue as always. So I'm going to wait some time. So I recently moved to New York and I'm wondering if any of my viewers are from New York and what are some fun things to do because I have a lot of time and would love to do some fun stuff. So let me know in the comments below. Place it. And then you want to fix the ends so they connect to your real ends. It's time to move on to skin, and I'm going to start with a hydrating eye cream by Bobbi Brown. And I'm just going to take some with my ring finger and apply it right under my eye. Because I have 2 eyes, that's right. So to color correct under the eye, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Peach Corrector and just this It Cosmetics brush again. And then just lightly dabbing it. To color correct. Once you're done with color correcting, it's time to move on to skin. For skin, I've already prepped it with the moisturizer, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Plus and the Giorgio Armani. I'm going to mix these two together. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and start applying the foundation to my face. So for the first layer of concealer, I'm using the Becca Ultimate Coverage in the shade Caramel. And I'm placing it right below, just under the eyes where I really need the coverage. So I'm going to place it just right there. And then I'm taking this really cute little sponge that I got at Sephora and dampened it already, and I'm just going to blend that in. For the next layer of concealer, I'm going to be mixing 2. I'm going to be mixing okay, so update, I just went like looking all over for this little guy and it was right in front of me the whole time. Does that ever happen to you guys? So anyway, I'm gonna pour some of this NC25 MAC and then I'm taking this bend knife brush, this is my favorite for this step, and dipping into Kevyn Aucoin in SX06. This is the Sensual Skin Enhancer. And then I'm going to highlight sides of the nose, under the eye. Then I'm going to go here, around the mouth, the chin, and a little bit here to kind of give me some dimension there. And I'm going to take some more, place it here on the forehead, and then down the middle of my nose. I know I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna blend all of this out with the damp beauty blender. So go ahead and do that. By the way, this look specifically it's pretty high glam. Like, it's not really your everyday. So this is something I'd wear out or for a photo shoot. But I will be doing an everyday tutorial, everyday makeup soon. So to set the highlight areas, I'm going to be mixing the RCMA No Color Powder with a little bit of the Cameo. And the Cameo is mainly for the area underneath my eye. More than anything, the rest of the face, I'm just going to use the No Color Powder. So I'm going to just be using the blender, the beauty blender. And then placing it under the eye, down the nose, these side areas, these side areas. You can tell I'm running out of like words to describe the parts of the face. Chin, Cupid's bow. All right. For contour, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation and NW45, and I'm going to be using a MAC 116 brush for this step. So I'm just going to dab it in, dab off the excess, and then just the areas where you would apply a bronzer. So I'm also going to be using the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in the shade, I think it's deep, medium deep. And I'm going to be swirling in my Japanese brush for this step, dabbing off the excess, and then just going under the cheekbones, the edges of the face, just to give you bronze glow. I'm going to be using the Givenchy No. 3 eye pencil to line the down waterline. Line the lower waterline is what I mean to say. Okay, so I saw some other YouTuber do this, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to pull my eye. Yeah. With the pencil brush, I'm going to smudge out what I just placed under the lash line. Next, I'm going to line the upper waterline with an eye pencil or eyeliner. Ooh. Oh no, this is almost over. This is my favorite, you guys. It's blacker. I have to say it the French way because I studied French for 5 years, so I don't know how to not say it like that. So I'm going to line the upper waterline. curl the lashes. Then I'm going to apply mascara. I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big. I'm going to go back and just fix any liner issues and just darken it. Next, I'm going to dust off all the translucent powder with a lighter shade of my foundation, and I'm just using this like dome-shaped brush. It has no name. I'm using that to dust off. Next, I'm going in for highlight. I'm using the Laura Geller in Gilded Honey and the Sailor Moon inspired brush. And then I'm just putting it on the high points of the cheek, down the nose, towards the end of the nose, like in this button-ish area, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the forehead. For lip liner, I'm going in with MAC lip liner in Soar. And I'm just filling it in as well. Then I'm going in with this Mauve lipstick. It's the 215 Neo Nude from Givenchy. It's the Le Rouge matte. And just then with Matte Velvet Teddy, I'm just going in and placing it in the middle and on the top, like so, just to give you that warmth in the middle of the lip. Well, there you guys have it. That's the finished look. I hope you enjoy. As always, please leave any comments below on how I can improve my videos, and please hit that like and subscribe button to see more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!